Is it time to buy or sell Decker's Outdoor stock? In this video, we will explore Decker's Outdoor in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 30th of September, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 23rd of September 2025, our system has ranked Decker's Outdoor as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.82. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of negative 9.52%. This equates to an average loss of negative 1.59% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 11.12% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 11.12% to 39.83%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 39.76%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 56.51% to negative 8.10% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $44.08 and $93.16. Our latest daily update for Decker's Outdoor presents the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for Decker's Outdoor Corp. The stock price of Decker's Outdoor Corp decreased by 1.85% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 30th of September, 2025. The price dropped from $103.28 to $101.37. This marks a decline for 10 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock exhibited fluctuations of 2.88%, ranging from a low of $100.46 to a high of $103.35. Overall, the price has fallen in each of the last 10 days, with a total decline of 14.59% during this period. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be interpreted positively, as volume typically aligns with stock movement. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 129,000 shares, with a total of 4 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $367,770,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $223.98 and its lowest price of $93.72. Currently, the price stands at 54.74%, or $122.61, below the 52-week high of $223.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Decker's shares have experienced a significant decline over the past month, falling approximately 13 to 15% in recent weeks and trading well below previous highs following a series of daily losses that, at one point, erased about 11% in a single stretch. This sell-off pushed the stock into technically oversold territory, attracting increased investor interest. Some analysts have since raised their earnings estimates, creating a scenario that could lead to a rebound if the upcoming results meet or exceed expectations. In the short term, anticipate ongoing volatility. Momentum pressure and news-driven selling may keep the stock under strain, but oversold indicators and any positive surprises or guidance could ignite a relief rally, particularly with technical support near the long-term 200-week moving average. Looking at the long term, Decker's fundamentals remain robust, primarily driven by Hoka and UGG, both of which are reporting record or double-digit growth along with an expanding international presence. This solid performance supports potential upside if brand demand continues. However, key risks that could limit recovery include softness in the U.S. market, exposure to tariffs, and a valuation adjustment following the substantial 50% decline from previous highs. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, September 17, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned DEK a underperform grade with an initialized action, On Friday, September 12, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned DEC an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, May 23, 2025, it was reported that Telsey Advisory assigned DEC a market perform grade with a downgrade action. On the same day, May 23, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned DEC a strong buy grade with a hold action. Also on May 23, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned DEC a sector weight grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Decker's Outdoor stock a general buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Decker's Outdoor. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Decker's Outdoor Corporation stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $107.53 and $112.55. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 4th of September, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 18.19%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence, divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 20 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Decker's Outdoor. Decker's Outdoor Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $101.22. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock displays average movements throughout the day, and given its solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.89 between its high and low, or 2.88%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.52%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Decker's Outdoor, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 23rd of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.57. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Decker's Outdoor. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Decker's Outdoor is at 104.94. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Decker's Outdoor encounters its first support level at 101.22. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Decker's Outdoor from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of September, 2025, Spangenberg & executed an insider sale of 1,523 shares of common stock. On the 8th of September, 2025, Grismer Patrick J. performed an insider buy of 0 shares. On the 8th of September, 2025, Ibrahim Mahasaleh conducted an insider sale of 76 shares of common stock. On the 8th of September, 2025, Ibrahim Mahasaleh also executed an insider sale of 168 shares of common stock. On the 8th of September, 2025, Ibrahim Mahasaleh further sold 56 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive. With a ratio of approximately 4.945, overall, insiders have purchased 298,263 shares and sold 323,779 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Deckers Outdoor stock a good buy? The Deckers Outdoor Corporation stock shows several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Deckers Outdoor Corporation will perform weakly in the next few days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 1st of October, we expect Deckers Outdoor to open higher by approximately 35 cents, beginning trading at $101.73. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.